In on an inhale. Exhale your hands down. Good. Opening up your eyes. Inhale and reach up. And on your exhale, go ahead and fold forward. Inhale, look halfway. And then as you exhale, step back and everybody go all the way down on this first one. So go all the way down, open your feet wide, and bring your hands back so they're outside your ribs, just a little further back. Spread your fingers a little wider, Stephanie, and back. Okay, ready? On the inhale, press up. Now look up. Remember that trick with your eyes go up? Good. Now tuck your chin to your collar. That's Jalandhara. Pull your navel in and lift to a downward facing. Good. Keep breathing. You're going to be here for 5 counts. In and out through your nose. Good, making a strong sound in the back of your throat. On your next exhale, get up on your toes and empty your lungs all the way. So there's no more air. Pull your navel in and then step to the top. Then inhale, look up. And then exhale, fold forward. Great. Inhale, come all the way to the top. Watch your fingers. So eyes stay on your fingers. And then exhale back to equal standing. Hands to your sides. Okay, good. And again, inhale, reach up. And then exhale, bow forward. Inhale, look halfway. And then exhale, plant your hands and go back, feet hip distance. Now drop your knees on this one. Drop your knees on this one. Good. Elbows close, hold your push-up. Now inhale, come to the top. Press through the top of your feet. Now get your knees off the ground, just looking. Exhale, tuck your chin, pull your navel in, and go to your downward facing. Good. Now relax and breathe here for 5 counts. In and out through your nose. Head below your heart every day is important. Shifts around your perspective. Good, good. On your next exhale again, get up on your tippy toes, pull your navel in, and then step or hop to the top of your mat and look up on the inhale, long. And then exhale as you fold. Inhale, Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha. Reach your arms now, Jalandhara Bandha, chin up. And then chin down, exhale. That was kind of cool, right? Good. Again, inhale, Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha. Now Jalandhara, chin up. Exhale, tuck your chin, pull your navel. Good, Mula Bandha. Inhale, Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, chin up, Jalandhara Bandha. Tuck your chin slightly and go back to your push-up. Good. As you inhale, roll up on the inhale, and then exhale, Jalandhara Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha. Good, Mula Bandha. Long arms and legs. Spread your fingers. So you're working on your inversions even here in the downward facing by strengthening through your wrists. Can I move these this way? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Strong shoulders. Now breathe.